Today video is about dial up the oil skin routine. Hello, welcome to the world of tips and tricks by Zeekay. Of course, creating an effective skincare routine for oily skin is important to maintain a healthy complexion and minimize excess oil production. Here's a tailored skincare routine for Gen Z with oily skin. 1. Cleansing. Use a gentle foaming or gel cleanser specifically formulated for oily skin. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or niacinamide, which can help control oil production and prevent breakouts. Cleansing twice a day, morning and night, is recommended. 2. Exfoliation. Incorporate exfoliation into your routine 2-3 times a week to help unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. Opt for a chemical exfoliant with ingredients like salicylic acid or glycolic acid, as physical exfoliants can be harsh on the skin. 3. Toning. Use an alcohol-free toner that contains ingredients like witch hazel or niacinamide. These can help balance the skin's oil production and minimize the appearance of pores. 4. Serum. Consider using a lightweight, oil-free serum that addresses specific concerns like acne, uneven texture, or hyperpigmentation. Look for serums containing ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, or vitamin C. 5. Moisturizing. Even oily skin needs hydration. Opt for an oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep the skin balanced without clogging pores. Gel-based or water-based moisturizers work well for oily skin types. 6. Sun protection. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every morning, regardless of the weather. Look for sunscreens labeled as oil-free or matte finish to prevent excess shine. 7. Spot treatment. For acne breakouts, keep a targeted spot treatment with ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid on hand to address blemishes as they arise. 8. Weekly mask. Incorporate a clay mask or a charcoal mask once a week to draw out excess oil and impurities from your pores. This can help keep your skin looking clearer and less shiny. 9. Makeup. When choosing makeup products, opt for oil-free and non-comedogenic formulas. Use a mattifying primer before applying makeup to help control oil throughout the day. 10. Diet and hydration. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin hydrated from within and can potentially reduce oil production. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. It might take some time to see noticeable improvements, so be patient and give your skin time to adjust to the new routine. If you're uncertain about any product or ingredient, consider consulting a dermatologist before making changes to your skincare routine. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon for latest update. Take care. Bye for now.